Welcome to a new video on our channel. Today, we will talk about HostGator, one of the best hosting providers on the internet. If you are thinking of creating a website or even several websites, HostGator offers you powerful hosting, a free domain, and the ability to create a large number of websites. In this video, we will learn about the different subscription plans and what each plan provides in detail. Let's get started. We start with the shared hosting plan, which is ideal for beginners or small website owners. This plan comes in 3 levels. Single shared. Hosting. The cheapest option allows hosting only one website with 50 GB SSD storage space and 100 GB of data transfer per month. Suitable for blogs or personal websites. Premium shared. Hosting. The ideal option for growing websites allows hosting unlimited websites with unlimited storage space and several additional benefits such as a free domain for a year. Business shared hosting. Targeted at small businesses, it offers the same benefits as premium plus features such as faster speed and daily backups. 2. VPS hosting. 2 to 245. If you need more powerful resources, you can go for VPS hosting, where you get your own virtual server that gives you higher performance and greater stability. This plan is suitable for sites that need more management and control, such as online stores or large applications. 3. Cloud hosting. 245 to 330. For large projects or sites with high traffic volume, cloud hosting is the best choice. This plan gives you dedicated resources and super fast speed, in addition to advanced protection and security. 4. WordPress hosting. 330 to 4. If you plan to build a site using WordPress, HostGator offers dedicated hosting for WordPress. This plan is specifically optimized to provide high speed and performance for WordPress sites, with additional tools to make managing your site easier. How to choose the right plan for you. Now that we've reviewed the different plans, the question is, how do you choose the right plan? The answer depends on your site's needs. If you're a beginner and want to create a personal website or a small blog, a single or premium plan is best. If you're running a business or growing project, you may need business or even VPS hosting. But if you need huge resources and expect a lot of traffic, then a cloud or VPS is definitely the way to go. HostGator stands out from other hosting providers by offering competitive prices, 24/7 technical support, ease of use, and integration with many systems such as WordPress. It is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a strong and reliable hosting experience without spending a lot. To register with HostGator and enjoy hosting along with a free domain upon subscription, I've left a link for you in the description box below.